My background, I spent most of my career in the national security and foreign affairs world in government, and then went to Facebook as their head of global elections integrity ops and walked out in under 6 months. So that's the context for my statements. I would say, I think one of the things for the future to get to a healthier media status, to a point where we can actually both trust media again and start having the kind of media that we want for a healthier global society, I think 3 things have to change. Being first, being fast, and being free cannot be a sustainable model if we want a healthy media environment. And unfortunately, I know that everybody wants all their information for free now. If you want actual journalism you can trust, you can't just expect it to be free. And so this whole, it's not just the free business model, we are forcing journalists to have to be first and fast and not necessarily accurate and clickbaity in order to get that show that they need on the social media platforms. So I promise I didn't pre-think this, and I realized there's 3 F's in there, so that might be my new tagline. First, free and fast is not sustainable.